Unveiling the meaning behind "the dam has broken." Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phrase that's rich in imagery and meaning. The dam has broken. Stick around as we unpack its definition, origins, and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. Let's get started. First off, let's break down the literal meaning of this phrase. A dam is a barrier constructed to hold back water and raise its level, forming a reservoir used to generate electricity or as a water supply. When we say, "the dam has broken," we are referring to a situation where this barrier has failed, causing the water to be released uncontrollably. This can lead to flooding and significant damage downstream. Moving on to the figurative sense, which is where our phrase really comes to life. When someone says, "the dam has broken," they are often talking about a point where a buildup of emotions, tensions, or pressures has reached a critical level and is suddenly released. This can be used in various contexts, such as personal feelings, societal pressures, or even in business situations. It's a powerful metaphor that conveys a sense of overwhelming release after a period of containment. Let's put "the dam has broken" into some real-life contexts to better understand how it can be used. Personal emotions. After months of holding in his feelings, he finally confessed his love to her. It was like the dam had broken, and all his emotions came pouring out. Social movements. The protest was peaceful at first, but when the police arrived, it was as if the dam had broken, leading to an outpour of anger and frustration from the crowd. Workplace scenarios. The team had been under a lot of pressure to meet the deadline. When the project was finally completed, it felt like the dam had broken, with a collective sigh of relief. Understanding when and how to use "the dam has broken" can add depth to your English conversations. It's best used to describe situations of intense release or change, especially after a period of buildup. Here are a few tips. Use it to express emotional relief or the start of a new beginning. It can also describe a pivotal moment that leads to significant change or action. Remember, it's a metaphor, so it's more suitable for informal conversations or storytelling. And there you have it, folks. We've explored the depths of the phrase, "the dam has broken," and how it can be used to enrich your English vocabulary. Whether you're describing a personal journey, societal changes, or moments of intense pressure, this phrase can add a powerful layer of meaning to your narrative. We hope this video has been insightful and adds value to your English language learning journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.